Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can set up Webhook in n8n. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log in to your n8n account and then click on Personal and then choose the workflow that you want to use for this automation. And then we're going to click on Add First Step and then we're going to click on Webhook Call. From here, as you can see, we're gonna erase the path and type webhook. And to test this, we're gonna simply copy this URL and then click on listen for test event. We're now gonna open a new tab, paste the URL, and then you will type question mark. Then you can type anything that you want. Now, you will go back here, then you can see that it can now be used. So we're gonna go back to our canvas, and then for this video, let's use Google Sheets. Search in Sheets and create spreadsheet. Now, we're gonna first create a new credential, or we can use an existing one. And then on the title, we are gonna copy the URL that we used earlier by simply dragging it from here to here. And then we're gonna go back to our canvas, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!